How to add or change phone number in your Meta Business Suite. So first of all, you have the option to do that in your bio over here. So you can put in your phone, press on the pencil over here, choose your country, and then your phone number. If you want a phone number for your account specifically, you can go ahead to the settings over here and navigate to the authorizations and verifications. So if your phone number hasn't been verified yet for your ad account, then you should be able to do the verification process over here on the phone number verification. So I'll go ahead and press on view details and press on the verify option on your ad account. If you want to go ahead and add another number for your ad account, which is basically going to be your number used for your business account as well, you're gonna have to go to your Facebook. Then from there, you're gonna go to your Meta account center for that specific account, go to your personal details, and then go to your contact information. Over here, you'll be able to see an add new contact option. Just choose the add mobile number and of course put in your mobile number, then verify your number. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.